La 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 la.
Hi mom. Happy 60th birthday. Oh my god, you turned 60. But you and Baba are the most energetic and youngest couple that we all know around, right? I mean, I think you all are younger than me and Siddhant together. We get more tired in life than you all do. The energy and enthusiasm that you all have combined together just energizes all of us around you. I think in our growing up years, I think I just was always irritated and hated you for always trying to discipline us, and used to always be shouting at us, and we used to wonder why is she doing that to us? Why is she not allowing us to live our life? And I remember you telling me at that point in time that when you become a mother, you will realize. And that is so true. I'm only shouting at Riyansh. I don't know what else to do. But yes, today the amount of respect and the amount of love that I feel for you is more, because now as a mother I do realize what you always meant at that time. And it's a big thank you to you and Baba for disciplining us, for making us stand on your feet. And today we both take our independent decisions. It's only because of you both. We love you a lot, and we always wish you the best in life. And I know this is not the ideal situation. I mean, I think we had originally planned to throw you a 60th surprise birthday party. Then it came down to going to Kashmir. Then it came down to going to Alibag. And now it's so sad. I mean, we are just doing it in my house like it's like any other day. So I wish we could have done it much better. But yes, next year, wishing the COVID is gone, we will celebrate. I will take you to Kashmir. We will do it together. And yes, I'm wishing you all the health and happiness. And I think you're the strongest woman that we know. You are the glue that binds the entire family together. Be it Siddhant, be it me, be it Baba. You are the glue. You are the most important pillar of this family. I think Vijay and Sukanya are just those additions, but the core will always remain the four of us, and nothing ever can separate us. So yes, thanks for being there always, and we love you the most. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday to you, mommy, and many years to go ahead together. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Smitaji. Thank you for cooking for me and telling me stories of Kaisala, Taratri and Annachi. And you cook nice food, and thank you for bringing new toys for me. And cooking, and I love you. And
Happy 60th birthday. First of all, I'm so sorry, Sukanya and I cannot be there with you on this very special occasion. But nevertheless, just want to say a few things. Thank you for giving me life. thank you for making me the man I am today. You and Baba and Didi have played a very big role in making me the man that I am today, and also making me reach where I am today. Today I am in Dubai living this life only because of the support that you have given, and because of the love and blessings that you have always showered on me. Very few parents are actually okay. Like, I still have friends over here whose mom dad always say that come back come back. But only because of my happiness. You have started saying that, but way less. So, but only because of my happiness, you have, I know how much you miss me, and I really miss you too. I miss Baba, I miss Didi, I miss everyone there. But you have always been supportive of what I want, and thank you so much for being a friend more than a mother. I know you always wanted to be that to both your kids, and I think you have very successfully been that. Both Baba and you have been friends of us, and very unconditional relationship. And I really love you. I really miss you, and I really hope that all your future birthdays, I am with you now, and we celebrate every birthday of yours in a new country. Let's keep that as a aim in life.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Auntie! Happy birthday to you! This year, I wish आपको सारी खुशियाँ मिले which you think is still pending. I wish everything that you wish for is completed this year. And more than anything, I hope that this year brings lots of happiness to you. As Siddhant has already said that we are sorry that we are not there, but hopefully in future, whenever next year onwards, we get to celebrate it together. One thing I would really like to tell you is the most fondest memory I have of you is when you had called me for the first time. I didn't even know that Siddhant had informed his parents, and then suddenly I get a call, oh hi, this is Siddhant's mother. And it was so nice the way he spoke to me. It felt as if I was just talking to a friend of mine and not a future mother-in-law. So thank you for being the cool mother-in-law, and thank you for everything, and thank you for this guy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के उम्र हो हजारों साल।
ठीक है, अब
आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। आप हमेशा खुश रहो और खुशियाँ बांटती रहो। बस
जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आप स्वस्थ रहें, सुखी रहें और खुश रहें, यही सब हमारी तरफ से हम सबकी कामनाएं हैं। Once again, happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी, आप और जवान होते रहो इसी तरह और खुश रहो।
Hi Maushi, happy 60th birthday. Hope you're enjoying your day in your own stylish way. On this special day, I just wanted to let you know how much I feel lucky and loved having you as my Maushi. My favorite Maushi! You've been there for me since the day I was born and have helped me make me the person I am. One of my favorite qualities about you is how you single-handedly make family gatherings so interesting, fun, full of fun and memorable with your delicious spread, homemade spread and interesting gossips. We miss those family gatherings a lot here. We miss you all so much. I hope you're enjoying your big 60th birthday in your own stylish way, and we're looking forward to meet you in person and celebrate again in our next India trip, hopefully very soon post all this COVID craziness. So again, happy birthday again. Love you. Talk to you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Smita, many happy returns of the day. So, at last the day has come. I am 10 years elder to you. At 60, let go of the past, seize the present and take hold of future. Once again, happy birthday. We are not sisters, but we are best friends, best buddies. You are the youngest, Shendefer. You were pampered a lot when you were small. You know that? Oh, you remember when you had come to stay at Kurla and you used to go to Vasai all the way, changing two trains. It was such a hectic job, and you just did it. It was really surprising. Well, you also remember how we went to Siddhivinayak walking all the way from Chembur. Oh God, it was so tiring and so much fun. And you remember that limbu sarbat what we drank there? It was so nice having fun with you, and I really enjoyed all that. Anyway, chalo. Once again, happy birthday. Bye. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Maushi. Wish you a very happy birthday. I was told to pick up a good memory, but I have so many good memories with you. Picking up one good memory would be doing injustice to all those other good memories. But I have a fun memory here. Remember when we wanted to play cards and you were staying, I think it was Toolbay House. It was so hot that we all decided to go on your terrace and play cards. And only you go to the terrace was go to the attic, and through a small window you should go to the terrace. And then someone got their bum stuck in the attic window. I still laugh at that scene. Whenever I tell my experience about that Toolbay House to anyone, even they have a laugh about it. Once again, Mausi, wish you a very happy birthday. Wish I was there to celebrate with you. When I'm back in India, we'll definitely celebrate the birthday with you. Take care. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Aji. Happy birthday, Aji.
Happy 60th birthday, Maushi. Wish you a very special 60th birthday. Hope you have a lot of fun. We're really sad that we can't be here for that special occasion. You know, I've always admired you for your spirit, and I have so many memories of you, but one of which stands out is the Ganesh celebration which we used to have at your place, your non-stop chatter, all the buzz around the festivities, and you know, and how you used to regale us with all your memories, and you know, all those different incidents that used to relate to us. So we miss all of that, and we look forward to having a grand celebrations when we see you again in Mumbai.
हाय स्मिता, आज वयाची 60 वर्ष पूर्ण करते. मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न ऑफ द डे. मी तुला पहिला प्रथम 22 एप्रिल 1969 रोजीच्या वाढदिवसाच्या दिवशी साई प्रसादमध्ये भेटलो. त्या दिवसापासून आजपर्यंत आपली एक गाढ मैत्री आहे, आणि त्या मैत्रीच्या जोरावर आजपर्यंत आपण एकामेकाशी चांगल्या तऱ्हेने राहिले आहोत. आपण फार मजा केली, एकामेकाला विसरूच शकत नाही. तुला जे काही आवडतं ते सगळं मला माहिती आहे. तुला कचोरी ही फार महत्त्वाची वस्तू आहे, आणि तू खाण्याच्या बाबतीत कुठच्याही वस्तूच्या मागे नाही आहे. तुझं खाणं म्हणजे जीव की प्राण आहे, आणि प्रत्येक वेळी तुला कारणच पाहिजे म्हणून हसत नाही. हसणारी मुलगी आहेस. एकंदर वेगळं तर तुझ्यासारखी फ्री माइंडेड आणि विदाऊट टेन्शन मुलगी मी कधी पाहिली नाही. तू प्रत्येक गोष्ट इझी घेते, म्हणून आज तुझी तब्येत चांगली आहे. तसंच आयुष्यभर असंच घ्यावी म्हणजे देवाकडे इच्छा आहे, आणि तू सदैव लाफिंग गर्ल म्हणूनच राहा. मी तुझ्या वाढदिवसाच्या दिवशी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा, आणि देव तुझं कल्याण करो.
Happy 60th birthday, Smita Maushi. Wish you all the happiness in the world and hope you have the most memorable day today.
Happy 60th birthday, Smita Maji.
हाय स्मिता ताई, तुम्हाला तुमच्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
हाय स्मिता ताई, तुम्हाला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
स्मिता ताईंच्या स्वभावाबद्दल काय सांगावं? त्यांचा स्वभाव एकदम हसरा आहे. ते सगळ्यांना सामावून वगैरे घेतात. तुम्हाला तुमचं पुढचे आयुष्य सुखाचे, आनंदाचे, समृद्धीचे आणि भरभराटीचे जाव हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना. परत एकदा वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday. God bless you.
स्मिता, तुझा वाढदिवस आहे. मला खरंही वाटलं नाही एवढ्या लवकर कसा तुझा वाढदिवस आला. मला वाटलं की अजून अवकाश आहे, पण एवढ्या लवकर तू 60 वर्षाची झाली. बरं, आणि अशा तऱ्हेचा वाढदिवस तू साजरा करत आहे की चारही बाजूनी सगळं बंद. आणि आता तुझा हा 60वा वाढदिवस एवढा आनंदाचा आहे. आणि आम्ही सगळं एकत्र आलं असतं तर मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाढदिवस केला असता, नाही का? आणि आता हे काय, एक इकडे एक तिकडे, आणि मधल्यामध्ये सगळं तू तिकडे येऊन बसलीस, त्यामुळे जरा वाईट वाटतं. पण आता कशी आहेस तू, कुठे आहेस असा तू? सून तर आलेली आहे, पण सून काय आता तुझ्या जवळ नाही आहे. आणि तुझा नातू, मुलीचा मुलगा बघितला ना मी अजूनपर्यंत, त्याचा एक फोटो देऊन पाठवतो. आणि तुझी आठवण काढायची म्हटलं म्हणजे मी मागे तू वाशीलाच असताना एक 8 दिवस मी तुझ्याकडे येऊन राहिले होते. तेव्हा तुझं ते सगळं करणं, जेवण खाण नाश्ता पाणी करून ती कामाला जायची. आणि घरीसुद्धा ते 2-3 पेशंट यायचे, तर ते काहीतरी करायची. ते मी आपले बघतच राहायची की हे काय करत आहे. पण ते बघून मलाच भीती वाटायची. कारण ते काय असायचं, ते मेण ना, गरम केलेलं मेण ते जखमेवर ओतायची. आणि नंतर ते पण 1-2 सेकंदमध्ये लगेच ते पाण्यामध्ये ते हात बुडवायचे. पायावर ते पेशंट यायची सकाळची. ते बघून मला भीती वाटायची. मी तरी म्हणत, अगं तू हे कसं काय करते? आणि त्याच्यानंतर ती मात्र मग तिथेच कुठेतरी डॉक्टर होते वाटतं, त्यांच्याकडेच ती काम करायची. हां, आता तू केक कुठे कापणार आहेस? कुठल्या ह्याच्या तू आशीलाच आहेस ना तू? हां, आणि किती जण आहेत आता जमलेले? तुमच्या घरचेच आहेत ना? मुलगी, जावई, हेमंत वगैरे आहे ना सगळे? आणि कोण आहे? हॅपी बर्थडे. हां, चला आता केक कापा. हॅपी बर्थडे.
Hi Smita, wish you a very 60th happy birthday. दिवस कसे गेले कळलं नाही. आय रिमेंबर द डेज वेन वी वर इन द स्कूल. आणि बघता ऑफकोर्स आफ्टर पासिंग 10th नंतर दिवस कसे गेले, महिने कसे गेले. आणि मध्ये आय थिंक वी हॅव लॉस्ट कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑल्सो, बट देन वी कुड रिजॉईन थँक्स टू द सोशल नेटवर्किंग. आणि वी हॅड नंबर ऑफ मीटिंग्स ऑल्सो लेटर ऑन. आणि आपण एक ट्रिप पण घेतली खेळ माइंडला, सगळे फॅमिली गेट टुगेदर झालं. And it was wonderful. And all I can say is that I think she's taking over. Good.
हां स्मिता, तू खरं तर ह्यांची मैत्रीण, पण माझी कधी मैत्रीण झाली हे कळलंच नाही. आणि आपण कायम म्हणजे फोनवर बोलत असतो. आणि तू कायम हसत असतेस, आणि ते मला खरंच खूप आवडतं. आणि म्हणजे काही प्रॉब्लेम असले तरी तुझं कधी असं ह्याचा सूर नसतो, कायम हसत असतेस. आणि मी तुला या तुझ्या 60व्या वाढदिवसाच्या निमित्ताने शुभेच्छा देते की तू कायम अशीच हसत राहा. आणि आणखीन अनेक वर्ष मी
we wish you a happy birthday for many more years to come. God bless you.
God bless.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Hi Smita Veni, a very happy birthday, 60th birthday to you. Hope I could be in presence for your this special birthday, and I wish that even we all could be present for this birthday of yours and celebrate it. And one more thing which I would just remember is that how we used to late night we used to gossip together, and we used to exchange our talks and talk a lot till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock midnight. And this is why, because I think so I found a friend in you, and you're more than a sister-in-law, a friend, and I find a soulmate in you. And one more thing which I would like to say is that your some tips or your some lessons when we used to interact with each other has brought some enhancement or some enlightenment in my life. So anyway, once again I would like to wish you a very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday
And
to you.
take care and be happy, stay safe. That's all. Bye.
हाय स्मिता, 60व्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई. स्मिता हे नाव म्हटलं की तुझा हसरा चेहरा समोर येतो. हास्य आणि खळबळून हसणं आणि भरभरून बोलणं हीच तुझी खरी ओळख. आपण नात्याने जावा असलो तरी आपण मैत्रिणीसारख्या राहिलो, एकमेकांना नेहमी समजून घेतलं. असंच शेवटपर्यंत आपलं नातं हे राहो हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना. पुन्हा एकदा तुझ्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई. ही छोटासा व्हिडिओ मी तुझ्यासाठी बनवला आहे. थँक्यू.
Dear Smith, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. This long journey you have traveled very successfully. Our friendship began from school days, right from kindergarten onwards, and continued due to your social nature. During our school days, I remember we often visited your house where we were very warmly welcomed. Another feature about you which I remember is which you used to very vividly describe stories to us, which I yet remember. I wish you a very healthy and safe future. Welcome to our club of 60.
Happy birthday Smita Aji. Happy birthday Smita Aji.
Happy birthday mummy.
Hi Smita, wish you a very very happy birthday. It gives me immense pleasure to wish you on this special day. We share a lot of fond memories between ourselves, but the most distinct and important memory what I have is how because of you I could clear my SSC board due to your efforts and hard work in pushing and teaching me in a very short period of time. I will never forget that. It was only because of you. Whatever I am today, you have a very important role to play. We really share our secrets and thoughts with each other, always, and continue to do so now also. Smita, wish you once again a very happy birthday. Have fun and many more to come. Enjoy.
Hi Smita, happy birthday and all the best.
Hi Smita, Veena here wishing you a very happy birthday. On this blessed day, I only want to wish you the best in everything. May you smile forever in life. Cheers to our friendship. You are my traveling partner, and the trips that we have both taken together are very memorable. Hope to travel in coming years with you. May God bless you with happiness and good health. Once again, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hi Smita, a very very happy birthday. Many happy returns of this day. Welcome to the 60s club. Well, let me tell you a secret. Somebody told me that the 60s is the new 16. So I feel this is the best phase of our life. You know, we have fulfilled all our roles, from being a daughter to graduating to, sister, and then mother, wife, kaki, mami, maushi, atya, then graduating further to mother-in-law and youth, or even a grandmom. And if you have realized that there's a role reversal. The way we took care of our kids, now the kids are taking care of us. Not only that, they're so worried about our well-being that it feels good, to be taken care of. And going down memory lane, I still remember how much fun we used to have climbing that mango tree in front of your house and enjoying those fresh kairi, jamun straight from the tree. And if you remember, we used to go cycling all the way to golf club just to play badminton. it was so much fun. And yes, our study time on the top floor, well, study to ek bahana tha. That was me time for both of us, where both of us could pour our heart out and about everything. You know, such fond memories. Let's just relive our life. Let's just, you know, relive our childhood and do everything that we ever wanted to do. I wish that all your desires, all your dreams come true, and yes, have a wonderful time. Be happy. Yes, and you have been very close to my heart. My best friend right from childhood. Love you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hey Smita, congratulations on all your achievements, especially 6 decades of fun-filled life. Wishing you continued success for many more. And since you're only 18, you are adult enough to have a beer on me. Again, all the very best and look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.
Hi Kaki, wish you a very very happy birthday. It's so glad that you have been part of my journey in childhood. The amount of time spent together with you has always been so beautiful. Doing trips together, doing vacations together, learning from you. I don't know if you remember, but तुम्ही माझी ट्युशन घ्यायच्या. मी तुमच्याकडे मॅथ्ससाठी येत होते. नो बट खरंच तुम्ही आणि काकांनी इतकं यू नो ऑलवेज यू हॅव शावर्ड मी विथ सो मच ऑफ लव. ऑलवेज यू नो ट्रीटेड मी ॲज युअर डॉटर. And I love to have such beautiful Kaki and Kaka like you. Wishing you loads of good health, happiness, and lots of peace for a beautiful life ahead. Happy birthday once again. You are a lovely beauty I have ever come across.
Hi auntie, wishing you many happy returns for the day.
Happy birthday, we love you loads.
Have a rocking day and a year ahead and we hope to see you very soon. तुम जियो और हजारों साल. साल के दिन हो 10,000. We miss you auntie, see you very soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear auntie. Happy birthday to you. It's your 60th birthday, but you don't even look close to your age. You are the sweetest person I have met. I know you have always been there for me. For simplest things like helping me wear a sari to making sure that when I came late nights, just to take Siddhan's help at work, you were there. Thank you so much for always wishing good for me, praying for me and being there. I know, you know, we don't keep in touch as much, but I'm grateful to have you.
Hello Smita auntie, कैसे हो आप? Wishing you a very happy 60th birthday. I hope to see you and आपके बेटे को जल्दी and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care and see you soon. Happy birthday. Bye.
What?
Start.
Many happy returns
तू
of the
start
day,
करना.
auntie.
Many happy returns of the day, auntie, and thank you for everything. Thank you for all the support and blessings all these years, and wish you many more to go.
Hi auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope you're safe and I hope you enjoy the day.
Namaste auntie, happy 60th birthday. Thank you for your blessings all these years and many more to come. and गाना चाहिए आंटी के लिए है ना?
Of course.
जरूर.
Yes.
चलो 1
तुम
2
जियो
3
हजारों साल.
बार
दिन ये गाए
तुम जियो हजारों साल.
ये मेरी है आरज़ू.
Happy birthday to you. सनी एक्सपर्ट है इसमें.
Happy birthday to Smita. गया था। ये अटक गए लोग।
अटक गए क्या? अबे
अच्छा, ये सक्सेसफुल हो गया मेरे को लग रहा है जितना।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली,
रीटेक नहीं करते।
डन।
हेलो आंटी, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी 60th बर्थडे। आप जियो हजारों साल, ये है हमारी आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। और हम तो पार्टी करेंगे, वाशी में ही है।
Hello, Auntie. Wish you a very, very happy 60th. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. It always feels so warm and nice speaking to you. I still remember the time when we met at Neeti's wedding after ages, and it still felt like home interacting with you. Those times when we used to party in your terrace and act like complete brats, we've come a long way from that. Also, as annoying as he is, thank you for giving us Siddhant in our lives. Wish you a very happy birthday again.
Hi auntie, wish you very happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी, जल्दी जल्दी आओ, कोई आपका इंतजार कर रहा है।
Yay! And auntie, I just want to say you're the coolest mom I have ever seen. जल्दी जल्दी आप आओ, हम लोग को और भी गेम्स खेलना है।
Auntie, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. I still can't forget the time where you prayed for me and helped me through my tough times. And thank you for all your well wishes. I love you and see you soon, and happy, happy, happy birthday.
देखा तुझे तो दिलों में जान आई, होठों पे तराने जगे और दीवाने जगे, बाहों में आके तू ऐसे शर्माई, छा गई फिर वही बेखुदी।